Hi guys, this is Saurabh. Today we see something about the for loop into our PLSQL. Now in the previous video we seen some description about the for loop. Now in this video we see the syntax of the for loop and the exact example depend on that loop. Now see, this is the syntax for counter in initial value and a final value. Two dots, okay, then loop starts, sequence of statement and end of loop. Now see here for counter. Now this counter is nothing but one variable, which variable is stored the value from that initial value and that final value. Okay, so from variable in final first value to the last value, or lower bound to the upper bound. Okay, then loop starts, then sequence of statement and then end of loop. Now see here some description. The initial step is executed first and only once, means this step is only executed once. Okay, and this step is allows to declare the variable which used to store the value. Okay, now see next step means exact you starts your loop. So with the help of loop keyword you starts your loop, then sequence of statement. Now see, this sequence of statement executed is depend on that value. What is your initial value and what is your the final value. So this is nothing but your header section, and in that header section you specify the lower bound and the upper bound, means your loop starts from the lower bound and your loop is end to the upper bound. Okay, and last is your end of loop. Now after the body of the for loop executes, the value of counter variable is increase or decrease. It depends on the condition. Now the condition is now evaluated again. If it is true, the loop executes and the process repeat itself. Okay, if the condition is true, then loop will be continue. Clear? So this is something about the for loop, and here after the condition is false, your for loop terminated. Clear? Now let's see the example which depend on that for loop. Okay.